Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's recipe is just going to be chicken wings croquettes. So I'm going to show you how to make chicken wings croquettes. So without wasting time, let's get into this video. Here I have my chicken wings, which I've already cleaned very well. And then I also have here my flour. I have breadcrumbs. I have garlic and parsley. You can use any spice of your choice. I have 4 eggs. I have chicken spice, and I have all spices, different type of spices. I have olive oil and salt. So I'm going to start by preparing my chicken, which I'm going to be separating the hand from the wing. You can also use your chicken legs for this recipe if you want to. So you just need to go slowly and then just pull the meat down from the bone as I'm doing. You need to take it easy and slowly. This is easy to make and is very delicious to serve. You can use this as starter or party when you're making a get together, just something for people to be eating while waiting for the main dish. So this is how to do it. It's very simple and easy. So you just go like this slowly, trying to pull everything down. As I'm done here, so this is the outcome. So I'm going to be repeating the same process until I am done with all the wings. So as you can see, I'm almost done. On the thicker part of the meat or of the wing, and then after I'm going to go ahead to do the thinner part also. So at this part, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a cut through the 2 bones, and then I'm going to separate or take out the smaller bone from the wings, and then I'm going to do the same thing as I did on the first batch. So as you can see, I just separate or remove 1 bone, and I'm also going to do the same thing to all until I am done. So as I said, you can also use your chicken legs if you want to. So as you can see, I'm all done here, and then I'm just going to set it aside, and then I'm going to go ahead and prepare the marinade. So to all my subscribers, I want to say a very big thank you. Thank you guys for staying with me. I really do appreciate. So here all I'm going to do is I'm going to chop my garlic and the parsley together. And you can also blend it if you want to. But I just want to chop mine. So thank you all for staying with me, and if you are a new subscriber, I want to say a very big thank you. You are very welcome to my channel. Welcome to join the family. I really do appreciate you. And if today is the first time of clicking on my channel, I want to say a very big thank you. Don't forget to subscribe, share, comment, like, and hit the notification bell. That way you'll be notified anytime I upload a new video. So I'm just chopping my parsley and the garlic. and then I'm just going to go ahead and transfer it to my bowl. So at this point, I'm going to be adding my spices. As I said, you can use any spice, any ingredients of your choice. So here I will just add all the spices I'm using. This one is black pepper. I also have mixed herbs, and then chicken spice, and also I have chicken seasoning. So I'm just going to be combining all together, and I'll be adding about 2 tablespoons of olive oil. So at this point, I'm just adding about 1.5 tablespoons of chicken seasoning, and then I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of salt, and then about 2 tablespoons of olive oil. You can use also vegetable oil, but I prefer to use olive oil. So I'm just going to combine it all together. So this is done, and I'm just going to go ahead and add it to the chicken, and then I'll work it through with my hands. So my hand is already clean. I'm just going to use my hand to work it through because I want the chicken to be well marinated. So after doing that, I'm just going to cover it with my kitchen wrap, and then I'm going to put it in the refrigerator, and I'll allow it to sit for about 1 hour. So all is done, and I'm just going to let it sit for 1 hour in the refrigerator. So on a clean dry bowl, I'm going to be adding my flour. You can use the amount, any amount of flour you do, any quantity, depending on the quantity of the meat you are using. And then my bread crumbs also. So the flour, what I'm doing is I'm just going to mix it a little bit with some spices just to give it a nice taste. So a little bit of chicken spice, mixed herbs, and then combined all together very well. And then I'm going to go ahead and also break my eggs, and I'll just beat the eggs nicely. So all is done, and I'll just bring out my chicken, and then I'm just going to start coating my chicken with the eggs, with the flour and the breadcrumbs. So what I'll do first is dip the chicken in the eggs, and then you dip it in the flour. Make sure it is well coated with the flour, and then back to the egg, and then the breadcrumbs. So I'm going to repeat the same process until I am done. This is so easy and very delicious to make. Give it a try and then you'll thank me later. This is very nice, delicious to prepare for parties, for even dinner or lunch. You can use it as starter or anything. So I'm going to be doing this until I'm done with all the chicken. So here you can see I'm done with the first batch. So here I have my oil already on the fire, and I just add in one slice of onion to see if it is well heated, and then I'm going to go ahead and then start frying my chicken. So I'm just going to fry it until it is well fried, till golden brown and very crispy. So as you can see, it's almost done. It's looking very nicely fried, very crispy and golden brown. So now it's ready, and I'm just going to go ahead and take it out the oil, and I'm going to fry the second batch. Look at that. It's looking so beautiful and very, very crunchy. Just go ahead and give it a try and you'll love it. So I'm just going to go ahead and fry the last batch. Oops. And then it is all done. Yes, look at that. Oh my goodness. I just had mine with some salad and it was super delicious. So here is the outcome. As you can see, very nice golden brown color and looking very crispy. So I hope you guys find this video very interesting. Please do not forget to subscribe, share, comment, like, and don't forget, if it's your first time, to hit the notification bell. That way you'll be notified anytime. Hope to see you in my next video. Remain blessed. Bye.